Hi, I'm Jerry Hankins and I'm a certified kitchen designer. Are you working with a blue room and you're kind of wondering what to do with it? Well, really, first question is, what blue? There's a whole range of blue out there, from dark to lighter blues. A nice contrast to the blue are some nice gold colors. I think they work quite nicely depending on your style of cabinetry. Believe it or not, there's some beautiful tiles you can find to pick up the accent of blue and work with that. So you'll find that at your local tile supplier. A nice light blue can work. Doesn't have to be distressed like this, but an option. The classic white is always good as well with blue. White goes with virtually anything. But don't be afraid to experiment with color with your blues. Lighter shades of blues, the whites. You can also find the tile, and also don't be afraid of the various golds that are out there. Golds and blues work quite nicely with one another. The blue and the gold offers a nice contrast, nice classic contrast. So in addition to accessorizing with tile and different tile colors, there's also hardware. Nice pewter look works well. We can also see we've got some knob options that could offer a nice contrast with your blue kitchen. I would go down to your local home center, talk to the people down there and see what they have to offer you as far as ideas. But don't be afraid to introduce some new tile color, hardware. Talked about the painting of cabinetry. We've got fabric. Again, down at your local home center, you're going to find some neat things as far as window treatments and shades. With some of these colors we've discussed, the gold tones, the lighter blues, darker blues, that'll work quite nicely. I'm Jerry Hankins. Good luck with your project this weekend.